Story of the week. Reality behind Bitcoin mining, its energy and consumption. Bitcoin mining might not be as eco-friendly as we think. With cryptocurrencies ruling the digital world nowadays, and investors continue to adapt to Bitcoin. The mining of Bitcoin has problems with energy and environment. It is said to take a lot of energy and affect the environment. But how does it really happen? The ESG has reported, mining of Bitcoin take a lot of energy. To mine a single Bitcoin, a huge amount of energy is wasted, and it affect the ecosystem. Cryptocurrency is said to be energy sensitive, as miners of Bitcoin uses special hardware to mine cryptocurrencies. The processing of large volumes of transactions and grouping blocks is what takes up huge loads of energy. Today, Bitcoin uses 0.58% of the global energy consumption. If Bitcoin was a country, it would be ranked 29th for such consumption. Countries like China are on the top list for mining Bitcoin, as they use coal to generate power that helps in mining cryptocurrencies. It is said 65% of mining power is consumed by China. Bitcoin can be mined from anywhere, so there is no fixed power to mine a single Bitcoin. It doesn't depend on renewable sources of energy. Recent ideas of mining Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies will use renewable sources of energy, and it can be also used as battery to store energy. Will there be a cryptocurrency that doesn't use any energy? Express your thoughts in comments, follow us for more.